is, after this mga programs ninyo, what else is AIA will do para po mas lalo pang encourage clients or sabihin na natin yung iba to take the development?
So across AIA, we have an objective, an initiative, a goal that we call AIA 1 billion. And what we really want to do is across all the markets where AIA does business, across the markets we serve, to engage 1 billion people in taking steps toward improving their health. And again, that's not just buying health insurance, that's really starting conversations about health. And that's why, for instance, we have AIA Voices. It's really how do we bring the topic to the forefront, because we have to start talking about it for us to create change, for us to create improvements. But bringing that back home to the Philippines, it's really continuing to focus on a lot of the programs that we have to serve Filipinos, whether that be in the form of Vitality, where we've made a lot of changes to the program over the past 10 years to expand benefits, to make it more accessible, to give our customers more ways to change their healthy habits, or introducing new products. So for instance, just last week, we introduced a new solution that brings together one of our life insurance products, Max Protect, and bringing it together with a medical benefit that our customers can use to augment other types of insurance that they may have from the government or from their employer, so that we have that extra layer of protection. And we brought it down to a very affordable level. Changes depending on age, but it can be as little as like 25 to 30,000 for an entire year of protection, and that's 750,000 worth of coverage. So bringing down the solutions to an affordable level for Filipinos is another thing we're working on. Education is another thing we work on. So we also have a program called AIA Healthiest Schools, where we go out with a program that we have created. We call it Health Literacy. It's teaching students about healthy habits, being more physically active, eating better, taking care of your environment, and bringing together their communities around that. We reached about, I think, 7,000 children last year, and the program is running again this year. And the winners, we allow the students to submit projects around health based on what they've learned, and that goes into a contest. We compete first nationally, and then the winner we bring to a regional competition across AIA markets, where they can actually win a cash prize. And that goes toward something for the school. So we visited a school we worked with in Quezon City. One of the finalists we brought to our regional competition last year, and they built a vegetable garden on the rooftop. They built hand washing stations. They built a new occupational therapy room for their special needs students, all from their prize from this contest. So it's teaching students, but then also resourcing the schools so that they can build better health programs and better health facilities for their students as well. So a variety of things we're working on, but really all with the goal of making health more accessible for more Filipinos.
I like the school part. You cannot do it at home.
Thank you.
I agree. Thank you so much for your question. I think she was saying how, if you cannot do it at home, at least there are other venues for children and younger people to learn.
And hopefully they bring it home. Yes, that's really the goal.
That's true. Just practice at home. I think that's like what Ms. Ma said a while ago. Your behaviors in the family and in the household are very important. Something I'm really